Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LinkedIn for networking and sales easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your LinkedIn account or create a new one if you haven't already. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo, a compelling headline, and a detailed summary. Use relevant keywords in your profile to enhance discoverability. Connect with colleagues, industry peers, and professionals you admire. Personalize your connection requests with a brief message explaining why you want to connect. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests to expand your network. Engage with group discussions by commenting and sharing valuable insights. Follow influencers and companies in your field to stay updated on industry trends. Share informative content, articles, or your own insights to position yourself as a thought leader. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write and share longer posts on topics relevant to your audience. Use the search bar to find potential clients or businesses that align with your offerings. Send connection requests to potential leads with a personalized message showcasing mutual interests. Leverage LinkedIn's advanced search features to filter leads by location, industry, and more. Engage with your connections posts by liking and commenting to build rapport. Consider sending direct messages to introduce yourself and your services to prospects. Offer value in your messages by sharing relevant resources or insights that might help them. Track interactions and follow up appropriately after a few days if you haven't received a response. Utilize LinkedIn's Sales Navigator tool if you're looking for more advanced sales features and lead insights. Monitor your profile's performance by checking who views it and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Stay consistent with your activity on LinkedIn by setting aside time each week for networking and engagement. Be authentic and genuine in your interactions to build trust and lasting relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.